What is PulseX's potential for success? Will it be able to achieve the 10,000x that everyone is waiting for? That's what we're going to be talking about today. So today, we're diving into PulseX once again and taking a closer look at its tokenomics and unique features. As you may know, we're feeling incredibly bullish about PulseX, and we believe it has the potential to surpass other DEXs in the market, like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. It's crucial to understand how PulseX works and why we're so excited about its future success. So stick around until the end of the video because we're going to cover everything you need to know about this exciting project. Trust us, after watching this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why we believe PulseX is a project that deserves more attention. But before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Over the last decade, cryptocurrencies have consistently outperformed other asset classes, and it's not hard to see why. By removing middlemen and counterparty risk, they offer greater privacy and more reliable uptime than traditional banking and credit card networks. Cryptocurrencies also provide a more secure way to log into online platforms with cryptographic username and password pairs that are independent of any specific platform. PulseX is one such crypto that is poised to revolutionize the industry. As a decentralized finance or DeFi protocol, PulseX allows users to exchange a wide range of PRC20 cryptocurrencies and bridge in ERC20 tokens. The project was founded by Richard Hart, with the goal of offering Pulsechain users the best possible trading experience and yield farming opportunities. PulseX operates as a decentralized exchange, DEX, similar to other popular platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap. When users swap between different coins on PulseX, liquidity providers earn fees as a reward by bridging in free ERC20s and pairing them with free PRC20s. Users can also provide liquidity and fees while backing the value of their assets. If we look at the performance of tokens on similar DEXs, we can see some impressive gains. For example, according to the UniUSD chart on TradingView, the Uniswap token hit a low of $1.78 on November 16, 2020, and a high of $45.16 on May 3, 2021. That represents a gain of 2,482%, or a nearly 25x increase in value if you had bought at the low and sold at the high. Similarly, the Cake USDT chart on TradingView shows that the PancakeSwap token increased from $8.29 to $44.33 in 2021, a gain of 434% or a 4.3x increase in value. With the potential for significant gains on similar DEX platforms, it's no wonder that investors are taking notice of PulseX and its potential for growth. Ultimately, whether PulseX outperforms other DEX tokens remains to be seen. However, the unique features of PLSX, such as its deflationary token supply, make it an intriguing investment opportunity that investors should keep an eye on. If you're interested in learning more about PulseX and its potential, be sure to hit the like button and share this video if you haven't already. It is difficult to predict the overall sentiment and intentions of the sacrificers in any project. The actions of a few large investors could cause significant price swings in any token, and it's impossible to know when or if this will happen. However, one thing we do know is that the PulseX protocol has already attracted around $1 billion worth of value in sacrifices. Interesting, right? By the way, you can also follow us on Twitter for faster Pulse updates as we update on Twitter before anywhere else. And make sure to subscribe to the Crypto Pulse to never miss future videos on Pulse ecosystem. There's a clear demonstration of the confidence that people have in Richard Hart and the PulseX project. What sets PulseX apart is its launch on a brand new chain with unique features. As every ERC20 token is being replicated on the Pulsechain and distributed to holders for free, there's a significant potential for it to become one of the largest yield farms in history. Holders can bridge their ERC20s over and pair them with their corresponding PRC20s in PulseX, creating an opportunity for significant gains. This potential play has been widely discussed in the HEX community and is likely to come to fruition for a number of coins, with HEX being one of the most notable examples. We find it highly favorable that the upcoming DEX PulseX will be supported by the Pulsechain fixer bot that will ensure a robust liquidity supply. This feature will enable PulseX to offer the most liquid and widely used exchange on Pulsechain, combined with low transaction fees that cater to traders of all sizes, making it a highly appealing option. Providing liquidity to PulseX by using your PLS or PRC20s holdings is a low-risk approach that allows you to earn predictable income on your crypto. Furthermore, it's worth noting that cryptocurrencies provide the highest yields globally, surpassing those of other asset classes, making it an excellent opportunity for yield farming. Moreover, PulseX offers a transparent trading experience by allowing you to view on-chain what addresses trade which assets, as well as transparently displaying which addresses bought or sold and the amount of money left to buy more. This added level of transparency makes trading on PulseX more trustworthy and reliable. PulseX's utilization of the Pulsechain network enables fast and inexpensive swaps between PLS and PRC20s, as transaction fees cost less than $0.01 and confirmations occur within 3 seconds. This streamlined process provides efficient and reliable trading services that are cheaper than most competing exchanges, making it an attractive option for traders. Additionally, as the PLSX token supply decreases over time, it becomes increasingly rare, which can drive up its value over time. We believe that the combination of all these factors makes PulseX a highly promising DEX and an excellent investment opportunity that traders and investors alike should consider. The official PulseX website indicates that the platform will implement a competitive 0.29% fee on each swap, which is lower than other popular decentralized exchanges such as SushiSwap, Trader Joe QuickSwap, and Uniswap. Notably, the trading fees on PulseX will be distributed to liquidity providers with a staggering 76% allocated to them. This incentive is expected to attract more liquidity providers and, in turn, increase the overall liquidity of the platform. Additionally, 21% of trading fees will be used to buy and burn PLSX, thereby reducing its supply over time and boosting its value. Finally, 0.01% of each trade's value will be allocated to an address with no expectations, indicating the platform's commitment to transparency and fairness. One of the key advantages of PulseX is that it will have the most liquidity on Pulsechain, primarily because the platform's initial liquidity is harvested from popular markets like Uniswap and SushiSwap via an AMM ratio fixer bot. This bot replicates existing pairs on PulseX, adds freshly minted PLS, and provides this liquidity to PulseX users. This means that users are more likely to find the best deals on PulseX due to its high liquidity, which attracts more volume, and thus more liquidity providers. As a result, PulseX is expected to have a significant advantage over its competitors, making it challenging for newcomers to compete with such a critical mass of liquidity. To be honest, we have struggled to identify any negative aspects related to PulseX. The team behind it has put a lot of effort into designing the tokenomics, which appears to be geared towards increasing its value. Moreover, the immense support it has received so far suggests that it could potentially surpass Uni, Cake, and Sushi in its first year. Assuming that the global economic situation remains relatively stable and unchanged, we believe that PulseX has a good chance of outperforming other similar DEX in its first year. However, our assessment could be inaccurate, and we acknowledge that it is merely our best estimation, so share your thoughts and opinions with us in the comments section below. That's all for today's video. If you're excited about the potential of PulseX and want to stay updated on the latest developments, make sure to subscribe to our channel for informative content. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates on the launch and the projects being developed on Pulsechain. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things Pulsechain. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.